banking on that.
It's like a missed downpour.
It doesn't miss. Alright, so Tropical Storm Faye decided to show up overnight. Waves are looking pretty good right now. We got Dave, he just pulled up. Graham has to work at 4, thinks he's gonna make it out. Dale's not making it out, we'll probably put him on camera duty. Dave. What's up, dude?
That little mist needs to stop raining.
It's good out there. It's pretty good.
It's that north wind.
Sound's gonna suck. Why are you guys all wearing sweatpants? What's up, man? What up?
I have power lock, so I forgot.
And you were just yelling at him the whole time.
I was like, what are you doing? Get the hell out of the truck. I was like, oh shit, I got the power lock on.
Oh, look at this. Dave and Dale. Dale's never put a rain jacket on.
Blue thing on the top.
Drainer! Yeah, it is. When that wind goes offshore, dude.
Yeah, it's still side shore now. It's like
Oh! Graham, you already made your mind up going into work early?
I did.
This is like the hardest mist I think I've ever seen. It's like a mist downpour.
It doesn't miss downpour.
Got him.
Holy smokes, Dale, film to the left.
I can't really see through that thing.
No way. Dude. I guess we'll find out how good Chevy electronics are. So after we had looked around, checked some spots, we were like, alright, we're gonna go out. The buddy that was supposed to film couldn't get out of work on time, so we were like, whatever. We're just gonna surf. We haven't had a lot of great waves lately. So we go out, and Brian's like, I'll bring my GoPro. We're like, alright, that's good enough. He straps it to him. 3 waves in, gone. Loses it. We were like, so there's no footage of this day. My sister came in the evening, shot a couple pictures I'll insert now. There's a few of me, a couple of Matt, Dale, a couple of Brian. Dave had to leave to pick up the kids at daycare. That's all we got for the Tropical Storm Faye surf day, but it was fun.